The Samsung Galaxy A77 5G is widely anticipated as the potential return of Samsung's A7X series, which hasn't seen a new model since the Galaxy A73 in 2022, and recent benchmark leaks suggest the phone could deliver solid mid-range performance with modern hardware and software. Rumored specifications point to a device powered by a new Exynos family chipset with an integrated Xclipse 940 GPU and around 8 GB of RAM running Android 16, positioning it as a powerful contender in the mid-range segment with smoother performance than recent A-series devices. Leaks and early listings also suggest the A77 5G will feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a 5,000 mAh battery, and a versatile multi-camera setup likely led by a high-resolution main sensor, alongside fast charging and other modern connectivity features. If the rumors hold true, Samsung could officially launch the Galaxy A77 5G as early as around March 2026, potentially alongside the Galaxy A57 series, ushering in a refreshed A-series lineup for early 2026.